Hey guys, today we are making a conversation story in Scratch. So for it, we delete the cat sprite, go to sprites and select characters 1. Now we go to costumes and select character C, code, backdrops and bench with view. Move this here and go to events. Then click uh, this flag and go to text to speech. Speak. Hey, comma, how are you? Now we keep this here. Now go to sensing and go to ask. Hey, comma, how are you? Now we go to text to speech and write this all okay. Now go to sensing and write is all okay. Now, now we go to text to speech and write are you coming in my birthday party tomorrow? Now we set this. Now we go to sensing and ask are you coming in my birthday tomorrow? Now we set this here. Now let's start.
Hey, how are you?
Fine.
Is all okay?
Yes.
Are you coming in my birthday party tomorrow?
Yes. And one more thing. Text to speech and right here. Thanks. So in this project, you can actually talk a character through typing. Like you're speaking, hey, how are you? Yes, you can type fine and you can write your answers. So let's meet next day and bye.